Hello and welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Ashish Parekh. From the launch of Xiaomi's first 5G smartphone to OnePlus confirming the launch date of the OnePlus Band, here are the top 9 news from the world of technology. Xiaomi launches its first 5G smartphone. Now, Xiaomi has launched its first ever 5G smartphone, the Redmi 90, on Friday. Now, the phone comes with a 6.53-inch touchscreen display, and Redmi 90 also comes with 4 GB of RAM and runs Android 10 and is powered by a 6000 mAh battery. Now, the Redmi 90 also supports proprietary fast charging. Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro and Smart Tag launch coming soon. Samsung's Galaxy S21 series is scheduled to launch on January 14 along with the new smartphones. A new pair of Galaxy Buds and Samsung's first smart tracker are also rumored to launch on this day. Now, a leaked promotional material has also confirmed that both the devices, how they look like, what their features would be, and also Samsung is offering both of these devices as a free gift on pre-ordering the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. JLab converts sunglasses into smart speakers. The two independent Bluetooth true wireless audio devices make up the JLab JBuds frames. Now, these detachable devices use two hooks to secure them to a preferred glass which of your choice, and also JLab provides multiple silicone sleeves so that you can find the perfect fit with your eyewear. Facebook will launch its Ray-Ban glasses. Facebook's augmented reality project team suggests the company is well on its way to delivering its first Ray-Ban smart glasses. Now, Facebook hasn't yet said when the consumers will be able to buy the smart Ray-Bans or how much it will cost, but the company could be gearing up to show off a beta or a prototype soon. Facebook has said that the glasses would help people stay better connected to their friends and family. OnePlus Band to launch on January 11. Now, OnePlus has confirmed that its fitness band will launch in India on January 11. Now, the company made the announcement on its social media handles, and also the fitness band will feature a SpO2 monitor to let users know their blood oxygen saturation level. This will also be OnePlus's first ever fitness wearable device. SolarWinds hackers guessed their way into some of the systems. The US Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency said that the threat actor behind the SolarWinds hack also used password guessing and password spraying attacks to breach targets as part of its recent hacking campaign, and did not always rely on Trojanized updates as its initial access vector. Google and Apple cracked down on Parler social media app. Now, Google on Friday suspended the Parler social networking app from its Play Store until the app adds a robust content moderation, while Apple also gave the service 24 hours to submit a detailed moderation plan. Now, Parler is a social network which many supporters of President Donald Trump have migrated to after being banned from services including Twitter, which also on Friday permanently suspended Trump's account. WhatsApp clarifies about new terms and conditions over privacy concerns. Now, after users expressed concerns over its new privacy agreements, WhatsApp has issued a clarification and said that its privacy update will not impact how people communicate privately with friends and family wherever they are in the world. The company also added that an update will make it easier for people to make purchases and also get help from businesses on the messaging platform. Donald Trump has been permanently banned on Twitter. Now, Twitter has announced that it has permanently suspended Donald Trump's account due to the risk of further incitement of violence following the storming of the US Capitol on Wednesday. Now, the suspension of Trump's account, which had more than 88 million followers, silences his primary megaphone days after the end of his term, and also follows years of debate about how social media companies should moderate the accounts of powerful global leaders. So these were our top 9 news from the world of technology. Do let us know what you guys think in the comment section below, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to TV9 Digital. Thanks a lot for watching.